Hi there. In this video, I would like to demonstrate how you can use authorizer to provide authentication and authorization layer for your users while using Yugabyte as your database. Yugabyte is scalable distributed SQL database which is built on top of Postgres and uses Postgres SQL as its processing layer. This made job quite simpler for authorizer, which is built using Golang and uses GoORM as its object relational model for connecting to all the SQL databases. So let's quickly jump and see how we can do this. First of all, you will need an instance of Yugabyte up and running. So for this demo, I have created Yugabyte container locally. So let me start that on Docker. Once Yugabyte is up and running, we need to connect to this port that is 433 using Postgres SQL as its connecting protocol. So now let's quickly see how we can use this connection string in our authorizer application. For that, I will go to terminal and I will start authorizer locally. So make and debug, and we'll start this server. Now here I am connecting to 433 port. Postgres is the username and there is no password right now, so that field is blank, and database type is Yugabyte. So let's go ahead and connect it. So once the server is up and running, we can open this application on port 8080. So let's go back to browser and open localhost 8080. Now here you can configure your environment variables and your users. So first we need to set the admin secret. As you can see, this will allow you to configure multiple environment variables that will allow you to access more features on authorizer. And you also get a login page. So if you open /app, and if you have configured like social media logins, those buttons will also appear over here. Let's quickly try signing up. So once the user is signed up, we can go back to dashboard and check in our users. As you can see, we have one user over here now. So yeah, that's all. If you are using Yugabyte, just use authorizer for authentication and authorization layer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.